Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Naila Tabaza Rashida. You can call me Aza, and I'm here as MC. We are here will presenting about group discussion about several medical equipment and hospital room. Next slide. Okay, first I will introduce our member. One is me, Naila Tabaza Rashida, study number 6, and then Eka Indah Murjiningsih, study number 7, and then Muhammad Yusuf Ramadhani Hakim, study number 8, and then Nabil Akmal Mahrus, study number 9, and the last is Dedi Dwi Nur Taufik, study number is 10. Next slide. Several medical and equipment. Next.
The first, cotton wool. Cotton wool is a term used to refer to cotton in its softest and fluffiest form. Because of its absorbency, cotton wool is most often used to clean skin, bath wounds, or apply liquid and creams. The second, reagents are included in medical device. However, this tool is a part of another tool. The reagent is a liquid that is specially made to react with the sample so that it can be observed. Reagents are used together with tools such as the hematology analyzer, chemistry analyzer, and also several other analyzer tools. This reagent has an expiration date and must be stored in the freezer in cool condition.
Operating thread, surgical thread are not medical tools that is foreign to our ears. This tool is quite familiar and not that difficult to find in hospital or clinic. Surgical thread are sometimes called sewing thread is a medical tool that function to sew open parts of the body. In certain cases where the wound is too wide, it needs to be taped with surgical thread so that it unites quickly and does not reduce the risk of infection. Infus pump. Infusion pump is a medical device in the form of an electronic pump. However, this tool functions to regulate the flow rate of infusion fluid from a manual infusion device. Both tools are equipped with electronic mechanical system and sensor which are regulated by a digital microcomputer so that configuration is quite easy and very sophisticated. General test tools used in intensive care units such as the ICU or NICU.
Okay, next, ventilator. Ventilator is also a device that is related to breathing apparatus. This tool has a much more complex function than other breathing aids. A ventilator is a medical device that functions to replace some or all work function lungs. This tool is equipped with a microcomputer control system that can work with user setting, so it can be configured according to condition and patient needs. Okay, next. Next. Okay, next is hospital room. Okay, the first radiology room. The radiology room is a place where patients undergo examination using X-ray, CT scan, or other imaging tools. The result of this examination help the doctor make a diagnosis and plan appropriate treatment. The existence of a radiology room is key in supporting the diagnostic process in hospital. Okay, next. ICU. ICU is a special room that provides intensive care for patients in critical condition. The ICU facilities are equipped with sophisticated monitoring equipment to monitor the function of the patient's vital organ, such as the heart and breathing.
Okay, untuk PICU, the PICU, Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, is an intensive care unit in a hospital to facilitate more intense supervision by specialists, general practitioners, and nurse for children with serious health problem or who are in critical condition. Children admit to the PICU range from 20 28 day all in fans to 16 years old teenagers condition of pediatric patient who should be treated in the PICU. Number one, acute respiratory problems. Number two, severe accident. Number three, complication. Number four, organ function abnormalities. Hospital pharmacy installation. The hospital pharmacy installation is an integral part of a complete hospital healthcare system and is oriented towards patient care, the provision of quality drugs, including clinical pharmacy services that are affordable for all levels of society. Type of service, number one, outpatient pharmacy service. Number two, inpatient pharmacy service. Number three, emergency room pharmacy service. Number four, drug information service (PIO) and drug counseling. Next. Okay, general clinical poly. The general polyclinic is a service placed in charge of conducting general or primary patient examination by looking at indication or symptoms suffered by patient. Officers at the polyclinic are responsible for patient examine in order to provide service that are in accordance with standards and can be held accountable in diagnosis complaint of each patient visiting the polyclinic and are responsible for providing referral letter for outpatient and inpatient or to specialists based on the examination. The general poly in carrying out its duties is integrated with several other services such as dental clinic, pediatric clinic, mothers clinic, nutrition clinic, pharmacy, and laboratory. Okay, next. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.